I'm so busy. I can't do that because I'm so busy. I can't call you back. I've been so busy. I'm busy, man. I can't believe how busy I am. Hi, it's Bill, Busy Bill. This is Creative License. And thanks again for being a part of the Dog and Pony Show. Thanks again for being a part of the sponsors and taking good care of them. Electro Voice, Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals, Disc Jockey News, and of course the entertainment experience. So busy, busy, busy. Are you busy? Do you like to tell people how busy you are? Does busy get in the way of the things that you're supposed to do or that you want to do? Do you have big plans for something new, but you're too busy? You haven't seen your friends in a long time because you're just too busy? You'd love to relax and take some time for yourself, but gosh, I'm so busy. I like to exercise. I like to go to the gym, but I can't. I'm too busy. Are you though? Or are you busy being busy? You get what I'm saying here? We talk about being busy all the time, but honestly, there is enough time. We do use that term though, pretty loosely. I'm busy doing this, I'm busy doing that. I'm too busy is a big one. I'm always too busy. Well, you know what? That's not necessarily true because you're not too busy for the things that you're doing. You're not too busy for an emergency that shows up. If someone you care about ends up in the hospital, you're not too busy to go and see them. If your car breaks down, you're not too busy to get it fixed. You're not too busy. More than likely, you just don't want to do the thing, right? Or you're using it as an excuse because you're afraid. You're nervous. You're going to fail. You're not going to be able to do that thing you want to do and do it successfully. So it's easier to say that you're busy. And busy doesn't really come with any kind of accountability because who's going to call you on that, right? Maybe a spouse, maybe a family member, but usually, if and when you get called on it, you can find a way to justify the fact that you're just too damn busy and you're too busy for this conversation. So back off. Okay. So now, if that's you, or if ever been you, or if you're stuck in that loop of being too busy to do the cool thing that you want to do, or to make a change that would make a really big difference in your life or the lives of others, and you really, truly want to do it, but the thing that's stopping you is that you're too busy, I do have a way that can fix that. There's lots of different ways, but this is the one that I found that works best for me, because trust me, you think you do the busy thing? I'm the king. I am the king of using that excuse. This excuse can go away if in fact you use a schedule. I know it sounds simplistic, but truly it is, because like if you have a job and you work at 9 to 5 or whatever the hours are, there are specific things that are expected of you to get done in a certain amount of time. And if those things don't happen, what happens? You get in trouble, you're accountable to your boss, you're accountable to your paycheck, and all of a sudden you don't have a paycheck. So you stay on that task, on that schedule. Somebody else made it for you. The tricky part about this is you need to make your own schedule. You need to write down all the things that you have to do every single day, and you need to schedule time for them. And usually, if you don't put it down on a calendar, then I need to sit down and check my emails. That scheduling time can turn into all day. But if you give yourself 15 minutes to check and respond to your emails, more than likely, you're not going to have a problem. Okay? Even if you give it 30 minutes, that's not a lot of time out of your day. How about exercise? How much exercise do you got to get done every day? 30 minutes? Okay. Do you do it at the gym? How long does it take you to get there? 20 minutes? Okay, 20 minutes, and 20 minutes is 40 minutes, then another 30 minutes. So you block aside that amount of time for you to do your exercise every single day. And use it like that's your job. Do it like you were told that if you don't do that job, you're going to get fired. So, and I'm just talking about two things here. Imagine if you schedule out your day for all these things imagine how much time you would find to add things to your schedule, like time with your family, or time with yourself, or a chance to go out and watch the football game, or just sitting on the deck and doing nothing time. These things are available to you. But for some reason, we get stuck in, I'm too busy. What I say is, you're too busy being busy. So get busy making a schedule. Get busy putting that stuff together. Oh, and the fact that you're going to do it like it's a job makes you accountable for the fact that you have to do it and do it in the amount of time you need to do it. So if you can't make that accountability for yourself, have a friend, a spouse, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, somebody, a family member who can make you accountable to your schedule every single day. And all of a sudden, guess what? You're going to find time for this busy schedule that you have to do the things that you always wanted to do. What do you think about this? Write it down in the comments below. Like and subscribe and all that stuff you got to do. But until next week, I'll see you. This is Bill. This is Creative License. Gee, I need to put that on a schedule somewhere, don't I?